I had somebody ask me today about using Illuminate and about the performance bands and how you could view that. So I wanted to just take a few moments to share with you how you would go ahead and set your own performance bands in Illuminate. I'm going to use a flexible assessment that I created, halving and doubling. And if I click on this, one of the things I'm going to see is it's going to have a little bit of a different look. When you create a flexible assessment, it's got this screen. And so if I take a look right here, this is a very unsatisfying looking bright red donut. If you don't set your assessment bands or your performance bands, you are going to see something similar to what I'm seeing right now. So how can I go about changing that so that I can use it? Definitely, it would help me as a visual person to be able to see where my students are falling within this performance band. So if I click here on this gear, this is the advanced settings. And here, one of the first choices I have is performance bands. So I will click on performance bands. And from this point here, I can either choose to use a standard base performance assessment, or I can click add a new performance band set. If I add that, I can set my values, I can change my colors to work with what I would like to be able to see. One other thing that I can do is when I'm working in there, I also can decide what my mastery is. So there's space for me to change this, to be able to use this in a way that will best help me in my teaching. Go back. And once I have that, I'm going to click my overall percent correct, and I'm going to click apply. Otherwise, I can go into district default and do it from there as well. So those are my options, and that's how I can change it up. Keep in mind, you're not going to see this on my particular performance band right now because I have not finished assessing this particular assessment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out, Summer.